Hi Infusions! Here are 3 tips to start your drawing right. Many amateur artists tend to make small drawings, which take up less than half a piece of regular copy paper. This is not a good habit, as there's less space to refine your design. Also, any small mistakes will be magnified. Furthermore, by leaving a lot of empty space around your drawing, it is a waste of precious paper. So let us try to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. It is much better to take up about 70% of your paper. If you are not used to drawing at this size, you may find it hard to judge if you got the proportions right. Try putting some distance between yourself and your drawing. For example, by holding it with your arm stretched out, or standing up from your seat to view your drawing. You can also look for a picture of your favorite comic character and place it beside your drawing to compare the proportions. All the best for your drawing!